Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Features also include keyless ignition, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2016 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, steering wheel leather wrapped. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.